gabi na nga po at sinadya talaga naming magpagabi na pumunta dito sa place na to. Ito yung tinatawag nila dito, Christmas Village. Ito ay matatagpuan dito sa... Where is this ate? Where is this? At Taipei City Hall, no?
New Taipei
New Taipei City Hall. Ayun, I can see already some of the bazaar. Ano yung mga bazaar, guys? Nakita ko na. Yeah, so look at that. Ang ganda, oh. So I want my little bunny to take photos here. Picturean kita, bebe. Come here. This way. Yan, ganda. Daming, kumbaga, itong area na to talaga, puro Christmas lights and all. So, ang ganda. Ay. Sa puro Christmas lights talaga. Yung ganda dyan. So, in this place talaga, you can see everywhere the different Christmas lights. Para daw field residence. Para daw field residence ito. And then, sa middle, may carousel pa. O, diba? So, ang ganda, this place. Highly recommended to visit during Christmas season. Parang siyang sa Avatar no? Mega City. Yan.
Is this the Christmas city now?
Yeah. Merry Christmas! Video!